This is my new favorite way to eat noodles. You guys must try. Somen, that's the noodle we like to use for Korean guksu. Half of onion, add some carrot if you want to, but I don't have one. Cook the onions and zucchini with the noodles for about a minute. My noodles. We're gonna season with some soy sauce, sweeten up with agave nectar or your choice of sweetener. Some badass chili oil.
Wanna change the world, 21 and feeling old. Being young and engaged in the modern age. Only seen on the screen, internet's our stage. Reaching high, wondering why no one knows the way. Got the world at our feet, but we're all just kids. Another movie, another neon light, another way to forget the life outside. Too many places you only see online. Love yourself, you can't be beat. But honesty is scary, so you're gonna hate to lead. Wake up every morning just to go right back to sleep. Text everyone you already know you'll never meet. Dance alone around your room and get down to the beat. Wanna change the world, 21 and a feeling